Hi guys! Today we will be unboxing Entropy. Yo, what is happening to the camera? Hi Ira in the chat. So we'll be unboxing DAY6, the Book of Us Entropy sweet version. There's the sweet version and the chaos version. I bought the sweet version today, right now, like an hour ago. Okay, so it's a book as expected when you call an album The Book of Us, right? I am so excited to be unboxing this. I'm so excited. It's not mirrored on my end. Oh, great. Great. Oh my god, okay. Ooh, exciting. An empty page. Unless it's mirrored in real life. No. Ooh. Exciting. So my friend bought the chaos version, which means that we won't be able to trade any photo cards, but she got her bias twice, Sunjin. So let's just hope that I have the wound, am I right? Okay. So first up we have the track lists. 11 songs included on this album. Regular album? Why is it called a regular album? Ooh, okay. Ooh. Wow, okay. So first picture, we have a group picture. It's like the packaging, you can clearly see where the binding has been done, but I guess it doesn't bother me that much, so we can go ahead. Ooh. Sungjin. Okay. Nice. Whoa. Okay. Wow, that is a pretty picture. It's kind of weird his face there because it's like at a weird angle, but this is a nice picture. Yes, I like. Ooh, this is cute. Whoa, shook. Thought you were excited about the thermodynamics for a second, but this is a K-pop thing. Yeah, Entropy, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Wow, that is a pretty picture. Jesus. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Here we have the one, the only Jay. His hair was a choice there. Like, the styling is great, though I don't like the color. I think it just doesn't really work with him. Okay. Why is his hand so awkward here? Okay. Hey yo. I do not know what that sentence fully says. It's like browsing through Playboy. Well, not quite, I'd say. Yeah. Ooh, that is a pretty picture though. I like that. Yes, I do. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. Panic. Should we keep it till the end? I'm gonna keep it till the end, just to keep the suspense. Ooh, Young K. Oh, that's a cool picture. Whoa. Ooh, look at how pretty it is. Oh. Ooh. I'm losing control. I mean, save. What is this in my book? Oh, okay, it's fine. Yeah, same, honestly. I'm losing control of my obsession with K-pop. We have one pool. That is a pretty picture. I like that the concept is pretty simple, but it's also very well done. Just the pictures and the general aesthetic. It's not like overly simplified. Ooh, that's a cool picture. All right. Coming up, we have Dawn. My bias. Don't want to be the racist one here, but all the pictures look the same. I mean, no. No, honey, no. Wow, oh my god, hello. Don't. Oh my gosh. Yes, hello. There's like plush in the book. Anyway. Look at him. Look at him. I was just about to say, are we gonna get another group picture? Yes, we are. It's a nice picture. Then the thanks to of all the members. And then the group thanks. Then the credit to the staff. JYP. Nice. And now we have the disc. Turn around now. Okay. Nice. Alright. So let's see whose photo cards we got. Okay, keep the postcards the last. Ooh, I got a group picture of Sungjin and Wonpil. Ayo. I might trade this with my friend because her bias is Sungjin and she had J and Young K, I'm pretty sure. So we might trade that. And these ones are the same in both the versions. So this is a flow code. Don't know what that does. It's in Korean. I can't read Korean. Then we have Sungjin. Wow, Sungjin is really getting built out this album. My friend got All Sungjin. Oh my gosh, this is like big karma. Wow, okay. Guess we're all just Sungjin stands now, okay? Whose postcards do I have, please? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we have Dawoon. That means that I do not have to trade with my friend for a Dawoon. Because she had a Dawoon as well. But I might still trade this card with her, so she has Sungjin. Ooh, okay. Okay. Wow. Nice. Ooh. Okay, let's put these back in the album.